Mm. First of all, I would like to dedicate this song to fans. Fans, tumtuma, way ako naglangog. Way ako naglangog, sinmala sa tuda ko kay way ko may hinang. Manusya lang ako. Tuhan yung makalingat. Way ako naglangog, sinmala sa tuda ko kay mo. Ibang promise ko, di ako lumawag. Di ako muna magtunang. Hinangon katan para mag-success sa buhay, para aon ako'y ikabuka kay mo. Sa itong dumapad, wala sa tulog kay mo. By the way, this song ko, Waiting for You, I dedicated this song for you guys. How can I explain the sorrow in my pain? I believe that you and I should be together once again. Every night I pray that you come back to me, but the tears keep falling down my face when you're not around. But now you're gone. Cut away. All I do is wait for you each and every day, but now you're gone. Cut away. All I do is wait for you each and every day. Oh, I'm waiting for your love. I wonder where you are. Are you with another guy? I'm showing him the world. I'm waiting for your love. I wanna see your fire. Try it out my day. It's waiting for your love. It's waiting for your love. I love you, but that's this song is for you. At least mamiss kita. Pag-miss mo, mamiss. Talaga. I love you. Sana magkakad ko simula sa tuta ko kayo. I love you, fans. I love you. I love you. I love you.